The next thing that we're going to do with this set of drawings is we're going to look at, as opposed to intersecting these curves, we're going to think about this as a solid object that we would see the same thing from the top and the side. And so what I've done is I've looked at this section AA, this is section AA. And it's got this elliptical cross-section running through it, right through the middle, and we're going to assume that cross-section exists at a number of places. And so what I want to do with this drawing now is basically we started out exactly the same way, found the mirror of this curve back here, but now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and sketch in a section. So this is about the center of this object. I'm going to again sketch in a rectangular plane right through the center. And now what I want to do is I want to take this section and plot it in there. And so just like when I constructed the original curves, what I want to think about is how these curves are entering this surface and exactly what's going on. And so they come through and come out of that surface tangent to vertical, and then they come through this point tangent to this line going towards the left vanishing point. And so it's going to come through tangent here, and it's going to come out tangent here. Now we can apply some of the same techniques as in that first exercise to ensure that we've got a mirror from one side to the other. One quick way to do it, I'm going to go from this point to this point, which would be basically from here to here. And where I've got an intersection there, I can carry it over, and it basically should meet right there. So we're basically just taking that construction and putting it in perspective. And so to check this point right here, I just want to carry that point over and see if I've got the right point. And it looks like it's a little high on that far side. Pretty good, but a little high. So I'm just going to leave that there right now. Let's plot a couple more sections along this. Let's find this point right here. So there's my point. Create another rectangular surface. Let's carry this point back to there. And now I've got a rectangular surface that I can mimic what we were doing with that section a little bit earlier. Come through here tangent, and then it's got to come down. That's not very good on this close side. Come up tangent, and then hit right there tangent. So let's do one more. Let's come back here, bring that point down, come out to the side, go up, come over. And I can do it on that back side too. So there's my rectangular surface. Just to help me visualize this, you don't necessarily have to put those rectangular surfaces in there. It's just they can help you with the mirroring and just with the visualization. Let's start here. Come up and around and through tangent. Continue to come around. And let's check this one. I'm going from here to here, finding that intersection. Carrying that intersection towards the left vanishing point. Find where that intersects this. Right there. And so this line intersects that actually much lower than I've got it right now. So let's redo that curve. Still make sure it comes in tangent. I'm trying to maintain a consistent cross section. And then basically you've got the silhouette of this object that comes around. As I'm sketching in this curve, again, I'm just thinking of tangency. So there's my object.